how you can make Meta AI generate the rock. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app, and once you open it, you can see there is three lines at the top left corner of this section. So just tap on that three lines button, and finally you can see there is chat option in the second. So select the chat option afterward, and finally you will be able to access the Meta AI from here successfully. Now to generate the rock, so what you can do is simply tap on plus, and you can simply upload a image if you want. But by chance if you don't have any kind of picture, then what you can do is simply tap on ask anything, and you can simply enter the prompt whatever you want to generate. So you can simply enter the rock and simply tap on the blue button, and yeah, you will be able to generate the rock successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to generate the rock from Meta AI app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.